Don't kill me. You not build my house.
Yeah, like build your house where like I broke it right.
You just block it for nothing. And just for fun and for me.
Oh, wait, I have another pickaxe, guys. I have another pickaxe. Wait, but it's an enchanted one. It is sharpness 1 million.
You are the way.
Dude, how much that? What happened? How many hearts did you lose?
A wait. I just got a wait.
Dude, how much
Mhm.
hearts did you lose? How much hearts did you lose?
I don't know.
How many hearts did you lose?
I don't know.
Okay.
Dude. I'm one heart.
You what?
Yes.
That's insane clutch.
When I did seriously.
Dude, do I look cool? Do I look cool?
Yeah. Wait, what? How?
Let me teach you. Wait. Slash.
I stop off.
Dude, I was like, look, am I looking cool? Am I looking cool? If these Spanish things see, maybe. But it's slash TP. Come here. Sorry, Shrek.
Gosh. Dude, I was half an hour, but I survived.
How am I doing? Do you like me? How do I look? Steve, how do I
వాళ్ళ
look?
హార్ట్స్ అన్ని
Good.
పోయినాయి కదరా ఏం చేస్తున్నారా
Huh?
పాపం
Where is it? You know cheating, Aryan. Aryan, how do I look? Aryan? You look like a piglin now. Yo, what's up? Will you kill me? I better not hold a crossbow. I'm just killing everyone. Yeah, because my mom is telling you don't kill, so me and Sriyan will leave if you do this again. Wait, like I was like holding my all of you guys take your stuff.
Ooh. I found a place.
Okay, you don't understand? I already have like I'm still. I killed so many seeds. Okay, let's go. Oh, she Kartik. No. Okay. You're telling you want to kill, right? Where's
Oh, no.
You killed us a bunch of times. Now we want to kill you because you killed us. Okay, I'm taking a revenge. Kill me, okay? Kill me.
వద్దని చెప్పినా కదా
You dude.
ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ హీ కిల్డ్ ఆల్సో డోంట్ కిల్
How? Wait,
Look at you. If I have taunts, like if you hit me, you will only die. I have taunts enchantment, right?
Oh,
Dude, I
Chisholm.
want my items back. You can't like get your revenge. Come here. I want to get my revenge. Because you killed me. Slash TP.
అర్థం చెప్తున్నా కదరా
I'm taking Kartik's revenge. Go get your stuff and kill me. Huh? Yeah.
dude, did you got my stuff?
శ్రేయాన్ కిల్ చేసిండు శ్రేయానే డైడ్ అయింది
You're only
డోంట్ కిల్
You're
డోంట్
only
కిల్
trying to kill me, so I'm only doing that to you. Yeah, because you killed me, you first started to kill me. Let's do like something normally. Let's record. I just
అయినా మీరు అందరు కలిసి ఆడకండి కిల్ వేసుకోవడానికి అందరు కలిసి ఆడుతుంది
playing my own world. Bye guys. I'm only playing my own world. Let's do manhunt. That's even better. Like manhunt. How do you? Why are you killing me? You
stuff from him, right?
No.
And you killed the Shayan also. You took all the stuff from Shayan, right?
You're killing everybody. You're killing everybody like so many times.
And I'm joining audience world.
Okay, I'm playing on my own world. Yeah, play.
Play. Then I'm with friends. He also.
You destroy his house also, right?
Yeah,
You
he.
destroy the Shayan's house also, right?
Yes, he did.
Hey, why am I here?
Hey.
Why you are
Hey,
doing like
you
all these things?
study.
Because he is small than you.
Hey, you study.
Karthik?
Hey, you study.
And you're killing everybody like so many times.
Evidence sword. Who needs that student?
Yeah. Now.
22.
What?
But keep inventory is on.
Yeah, what will happen?
I don't know.
Did you slash kill both of us?
No.
Okay, let me give you. Where are you? Are you in my world?
What? What?
She's in my world, that's it.
Okay, don't.
So he killed us.
Yes. Yes. Kill Rabdot.
Please don't have a cross the sword.
Right? Get out, you husk. Oh my god, I'm so scared from these two creepers. Creeper, they beg you to not kill us.
I died. You slash killing us. No. Mummy.
మరి ఎందుకురా?
Yes,
ఒకటే
yes.
మాట్లాడుతుండ్రు.
Because Karthik is killing us. He joined our world.
మళ్ళీ kill చేసినావా?
Say no revenge. I'm not gonna kill you any world or any time.
Arya, I'm not put on
But
him.
good thing is that keep inventories on.
Yeah. Do not fair.
You're bad, girl. You're bad.
You what?
Mummy,
With what?
keep inventories off.
With what?
Mummy,
You.
Karthik is killing everyone.
You.
ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ kill చేసిండా?
You. What is Kartik is doing?
kill చేసినావు కార్తీక్?
Does you left? Yeah, I'm not gonna play Minecraft. Roblox? Not Roblox. I told if you say no revenge, I would not. I'm not playing Minecraft in Roblox.
What are you playing?
What is that combo?
పెట్టలేను. ఇది చూడండి కొట్టుకుంటున్నారు. ఇగో మొత్తం కార్తీక్ ఊకే kill చేసి వీడి స్టఫ్ అంతా తీసుకున్నాడంట. వీడు ఏడుస్తా ఉన్నాడు.
Okay, I said if you just say no revenge, then I'll not kill you in any world. No, I'm playing other world. Okay, so if you say you're not gonna kill me, you not kill me, but no revenge, then I will. Then I will not kill you in any world.
You give all the stuff what you taken from the Aryan.
Okay, I'll give it.
Is it okay, Aryan?
Dude, I don't wanna play Minecraft. Come, let's do manhunt, you said, right? No, I didn't. Hitman as a survivalist? You be the survivalist, okay? No. Two hitmen. Okay? Wait, Shayan, will you join my world? I'm not gonna kill you, okay?
Dude, I just saw you and you just left. I just saw you.
సాడు కాదు.
I just saw you. And your dog. No, I wouldn't.
Join my world, I'm not gonna kill you this time. I'm gonna give you back all your stuff. I'm joining. See.
No, let's play our own world.
వాళ్ళని కిల్ చేస్తున్నావు కదా శ్రేయాన్ని ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎందుకు అట్లా కిల్ చేసినావు నీ దగ్గర థోర్ పెట్టుకొని నిన్ను కిల్ చేయకుండా వాళ్ళని మాత్రం కిల్ చేస్తున్నావు
మమ్మీ 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 ఇంకా లాఫ్ చేస్తుండు కిల్ చేసి లాఫ్ చేస్తుండు
You only know is it a good manners or is it a bad manners. You only decide what to do, what not to do.
Oh my God.
Okay, sorry, I won't kill you. But Aryan, will you join my world? I'll not kill you. I'll
Those
give you
two-
stuff and I'm gonna make
My
it into
boots
a
is the best.
lot of Masonic sword. Do you know that? And it does like 1000 attack damage. And I'll give it to you. And you could one shot the Ender Dragon.
Bye bye.
Okay? Will you? Will you join now?
Then why are you like killing us?
That only I'm telling right. I'm not gonna kill you this time. I'm gonna kill me also. See. I killed myself.
Well, you don't have. No, wait.
I'm not starting a new
Yeah, because I got OP items that time. And you didn't got any items. I got OP items that time.
Please join.
You just done and you just left. God, he just joined my game and he just left.